Okay, garlic hummus. You're gonna wanna mix that around because all that garlic's on top. And we're gonna use all of this. Try to stay to the bottom because we are stacking today. Smush it down like that, spread it out. This is your base layer. Okay. There we go. Next up, you want to use some Greek yogurt. This honey vanilla, it just does something super special. But we are not going to use all of that. That would be a really uneven ratio. So just use about half. The hummus, the package was 10 ounces. This is a little more. This is 24, so we're going to use about half and layer it up.
Ooh, I see what you did there.
Just easy stack. Okay. Now onto all of our yummy veggies. We've got some purple onion. We like to leave it a little bit more sliced instead of chopped because our kids will pull it out and it's easier for them, but we love the flavor. Get all those onions out, layer it around. Black olive, that adds a little bit of salinity to it as well, some fun color. This layer goes quickly. Just want to make sure they're spread around. Okay, I just want the olives, not the juice. There we go, excellent, and we're still stacking. Quartered cucumbers. You want the fresh, crisp cucumbers.
Those are English cucumbers, I believe.
I like the English ones.
They seem more crisp.
They are. They definitely are. So again, kind of push it in because you want it all to be just a cucumber layer. So you can also place it if you have a little bit more time and really do a design, but we're all good. Okay, there we go. Next up, my favorite. I love sweet tomatoes. These are so good. As you can see, they're really firm too. So they hold up well. All in. There we go. Excellent. Now for our top layers. So this all kind of melts together. You're gonna get some crumbled feta cheese. We are gonna use a significant amount, but let's eyeball it. So I kind of go around like this.
We have another one if you need more.
I might. No, I think we're good.
Yeah, I think that's good.
That's actually perfect.
Yeah.
I just have some chunkier pieces, so I'm gonna just kind of break them up a little. That we're towards the bottom. Perfect. Okay. Some EVOO. Right around the top.
Just a drizzle.
Yeah, it comes out kind of fast, so. There we go.
Beautiful.
Whoopsie.
Look at this. Oh, wow.
I know, it's gonna be so good. Do you see all those layers? They're so yummy. Some fresh pepper, of course. Right on top. And finishing touch, some sea salt. Okay, and now
what?
well, now it's gonna go in the fridge. Everything's gonna come together. We're gonna leave there at least 20 minutes, and we've got some more stuff to do in between. Okay, now we have our Greek pita bread, and we are gonna slice it up. Really simple. Down this way, coming across. All right. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a baking sheet that's already pre-oiled. You can use parchment paper if you want to. And you're gonna place these around, and then you're gonna drizzle some salt and pepper. Okay. And we've got some olive oil. I'm using my other spout. It's not really being, there we go. So just a little bit. You don't wanna overdo it. This just helps it get more golden. Fill her up, there we go. Make sure you get every piece, some hide under there. Okay. And salt and pepper. We're going into the oven at 350 degrees. Keep an eye on it, no more than 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, nice and toasty, but not too crisp. Because pita is
Nice.
the best when it's not too crisp. Otherwise it's rough. All right. So our yummy salad is ready. Can you see all those layers? So good. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop some out. I wanna make sure that you get down to the bottom so you're getting the hummus. Look at this. Yes, please. See the hummus coming?
Wow.
Yes. So delicious. And you can eat this however you want. If you wanna just scoop it. I'm actually gonna grab a fork because it gets really messy. And I'm gonna pile it on like that. Perfect little pita. It's so good. You can fold it up like this too. The honey and the hummus are so good together.